Hi, and welcome back to Anna and Peyton's online psych school. In this video, I'll be explaining the role that genetics play in memory. So, dementia, which is not a specific disease, is a group of conditions characterized by impairment of at least two brain functions. So, that's such as memory loss and judgment. So, symptoms include forgetfulness, limited social skills, and thinking abilities that are so impaired that it interferes with daily functioning. So there was a study that was conducted with patients who didn't have dementia, and each patient participated in completing memory tests such as word recall, and their entire genome was genotyped. So using sophisticated statistical analysis, the genome was examined for segments that are associated with low memory scores. And so with this, the researchers actually found genetic variants near a gene known to harbor an increased risk of dementia, especially Alzheimer's disease. This was associated with poorer memory performance, and mostly so in the oldest participants. In a sub-study as well, there was a post-mortem brain sample, and participants with an increasing load of memory risk variants also had more pathological features of Alzheimer's disease, and that perhaps is reflecting in some instances early preclinical stages of the disease. And so it was also found that those who had a parent or a sibling with Alzheimer's are more likely to develop the disease than those who do not have a first-degree relative with Alzheimer's. There are actually two categories of genes that influence whether a person develops a disease or not. And so one is risk genes, and those increase the likelihood of developing a disease, but it doesn't guarantee that it will happen. So the second one is deterministic gene, and that actually directly causes a disease. And so it guarantees that anyone who inherits one will develop a disorder. Lastly, the Alzheimer's gene can only be passed down directly from an affected parent, and it doesn't skip generations. Thank you for listening to Anna and Peyton's online psych school.